Nothing does it like 7-Up, 7-Up. Nothing does it like 7-Up. Right now, you are probably asking yourself what to serve thirsty guests. That's right, 7-Up. It's the real thirst quencher. Don't forget, its fresh, clean taste is the finest yet. It's a quick, refreshing lift you get. Nothing does it like 7-Up.
During the holiday season, we seem to have one house full of guests after another. What to serve? Well, we always have plenty of 7-Up on hand. And for a very good reason, too. We found that just about everybody likes 7-Up. Serve 7-Up. See what I mean?
Nothing does it like 7-Up, 7-Up. Nothing does it like 7-Up. Get the big guest supply of 24 bottles. Nothing does it like 7-Up.